Let me know which cameras you like. Hey, this is Mike with Riding in the Ozarks. And I hope you're having a great day. Man, just a couple days ago, it was almost 90 degrees here. Today we're back down to 50 and it rained this morning. But it's been a couple hours, the pavement's drying up. So we're gonna go for a little ride. I got a couple of questions for y'all. First off, I want to go through my GoPro camera setups, and I want your opinion on which views you like the best, and I need some feedback about the selfie camera. I've changed some stuff in the last week or two, been messing with it. As it's getting warm, I'm gonna go to this half helmet. So I've changed cameras around, and while I was changing stuff, I thought I would try some different audio stuff. My question is, when we're talking or I'm talking and doing a moto vlog or talking about something, a topic of some kind, whether it's, you know, what's going on in society today or about motorcycle riding or whatever, would you prefer the selfie view where you see me talking to you and we're more like we're having a conversation and I'm talking to you directly? Or would you rather see the scenery that I see from my helmet view, or maybe one of the other cameras, or switch it up, which is generally what I do? So my very first camera, we're gonna call it camera number one, is a GoPro 7 Black, mounted on the crash bar. I'm gonna show you how I got that mounted in a photo, and here's that view. Now, my second camera, now currently it's this selfie mode, and that's a GoPro 5 Black, and that's pointed back at me, and it's mounted on the handlebars, as you can see. And here's a picture of that current setup, and you already see what the view's like. So camera number three is this helmet camera. Now this is a GoPro 5 Session. I'm going with it for a while to see how I like it, because it's a little smaller, a little less noticeable on the helmet. It should be lighter. So we'll see how I like that, how that works for me. I'll show you a picture of how that's mounted on the helmet. And I have mixed feelings about the helmet view. I don't really like having the camera on the helmet from you know, everybody looking at you, what's that guy got on his head? But it's kind of nice, because if I see something I want to show you, like, hey, there's this car parked on the shoulder over here, I wonder how long it's been there, I can look at it and keep the focus on that without having to take away from my driving. All I gotta do is turn my head. Now, camera number four is my oldest GoPro, and I'm considering upgrading that, but I don't know if I want to spend the money on it. That's a GoPro 4 Black, and it's mounted upside down to a luggage rack and wired in to USB, so I can let it run for hours and hours, not to change the battery. I have all the cameras wired in with USB except for this helmet camera. Let me know which cameras you like, and I'll show you pictures of all the mounts for them and stuff. And most importantly, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about the dialogue when I'm talking. Would you rather see my horizon and what I see, or would you rather see me talking to you at some point? 'Cause I don't know if I even need this selfie cam, and if anybody really cares about it. But if I'm gonna make these videos, you know, I'm making them for myself, but I'm interested in what you have to say about them and what you like or don't like as far as the videos. And I don't want to take a lot of time cutting up 4 different cameras and splicing them together if 3 will get the job done. We need gas. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you do that YouTube thing, subscribe down below. Hit that bell to be notified. And as always, I appreciate your support. When I see that subscriber number goes up, it helps me stay motivated to keep putting out more videos and content. So, appreciate appreciate all those of you that subscribed. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure you support the channels that you like by subscribing. As always, stay safe and keep on riding. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Do that YouTube video. I don't know what the fuck that was.